Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Rel, and this week I'm going to give you a little update on some videos I had in the past on these two kits. And, you know, they're from Moebius models, the 64 Mercury Comet and the Pro Touring one. If you know that I bought a couple of these, actually, I brought two Pro Touring ones and one of the K-Code Mercury Comet. And having some fun researching the cars. There's not much to find online, but some of you guys have told me some things, and there's some interesting things out there about the car. But when I was doing my reviews and I'd seen it, other people had talked about it. There's a body issue in this. If you don't know, the Comet lettering is kind of goofed up on one of them, but it's in all of the kits, or at least the first run of kits. So I understand that the next run will be fixed. But Moebius did announce that they were going to fix their body and get them out. Well, I did get mine, so we'll get to that here in a second. But before we get too far, I'll show you what comes in the kit, which I've shown before. That's why it's going to be a quick video here. And I've been kind of playing with this one, looking the parts over and seeing what's in here, and just checking it out as far as, what I call playing with a kit, just seeing what's in it, how things work, unwarping the hood, which I got this one to fit pretty good. Some things like that. But when it comes to the body, what I'm getting at is some people are calling it the T-Mach body, and I get a kick out of that. But, on the driver's side, it does say Comet, C-O-M-E-T. But on the passenger side, it says T-Mach, T-E-M-O-C, so it's backwards. So if you can see that. And I talked about foil casting the one side and flipping it over to the other side as a way to fix that. And while that can be done, the new body is out, which is cool. And I only ordered one. Moebius models, they're asking to pay shipping for the thing. They'll provide the body. But in the U.S., it's currently $9. I don't know if that's going to, change or anything like that. I'll put the email address below, which is how I contacted them. It was customerservice at moebiusmodels.com. I believe that's off the top of my head. But I will verify it and put it in the video description below. So it will be there. But I only ordered one. I really only needed one, even though I've got two Pro Touring kits and I've got the K-Code kit, because I kind of want to do one pretty much stock, even though I've learned from a number of people that it didn't come with this hood, the stock one. It had a flat hood. But sooner or later, somebody will come out with a resin hood fix for it, or even Moebius may come out with another hood. I did see on their thread that they added brakes to this thing, because I don't remember if it has brakes or not very well detailed brakes. Just don't quite remember here. Drilled and slotted rotor. So this one's got brakes. So I'm not really sure what was going on there, but there was a talk about that. But I only ordered one body. I didn't see a reason to order three bodies when one of these is planned to be a chassis donor to switch into something else. The other one, I want to build it like the box art, have some fun with it. So I'll fill in these holes here for the emblem, and I'll sand these off. So as far as the comment on it, I didn't really need it to be on this car, and I'll probably shave the handles too. And I'm not sure what I would do color wise, but I want to have some fun with this one, just to enjoy it. And then so to get to the, well, I don't know why I would put that away just yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. But let me open this up. Now, one surprise to me was the fact that they included a chassis. I was not expecting that. So I was expecting just a body. So let's just see how much more crisp it looks. There's the bag it's sent in. They put it in the box and everything, and I got it pretty quick after they processed the payment and shipped it. So wasn't expecting an extra chassis, especially when I wanted it for the stock version. This is the Pro Street chassis, Pro Touring chassis. But let's see here. So when it comes to, hopefully you can see that there. But yeah, it definitely says Comet in the right direction on that. Spacing still looks pretty much the same. You know what? I'll hit it with the marker. I mean, it's going to get primed anyway, but this kind of helps it become a bit more visible for me and my eyes and everything. And hopefully for the camera as well. So, there we go. So yeah, there's the two bodies. So maybe, you know, with the first batch having the error, they'll become collector's editions or not. Who knows? I tend to just take it in stride and laugh with it. But I'm glad that the body's been fixed. Everything else is looking good. I don't really see any other changes or updates to it. So, that flash is still there on this side. Nice and crisp as well. So, it doesn't look like they needed to even touch the side, but... there we go. But yeah, so there's the new body for those of you guys that are hoping for a fix or waiting for it to come out. Contact them. I'm sure they'll get with you. Nothing was really fast. I got a email saying that yes, they're coming. They'll get a hold of me when they get some in and they're ready for shipping. And then, you know, some months went by because I think that was in May. And then I got a notice that, hey, it's ready. Please send your information and your payment, PayPal. And I sent it and got my body. I actually got it last week, but wasn't home. So I don't want to mix them up here. So I got one extra. Anyway, so don't really need that. So I'll keep this one. I'll put it in this one, of course, anyway. And we'll get to that. So this one, put this back in here and I'll get to playing with this some more when this makes it onto my bench and I really start playing with it or building it. So, because to me, that's just really cool. And we'll see how this thing sits. I've seen some buildups of it that look great. So, pretty excited about this one, especially that chassis, just so unique and different. So, looking forward to doing that, especially kit bashing. But we'll see what happens with that in the future. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know that Moebius did come out with the replacement bodies and get a hold with them about them. So email them and see what happens. Like I said, mine was $9. It said it's $9 in the U.S. It's even more outside of the U.S., but that's, you know, shipping, and unfortunately that's all part of it. So they invested in it, and the new batch will start coming out. I don't know when, but they'll start coming out with the new bodies, and I don't know if there'll be something on the boxes to help you determine if you end up with an old box or a new box as far as which body's in it. So hopefully they'll put something out there to let everybody know the new ones versus the old ones. But anyways, you guys, I figured I would let you know, share that with you, and I'll continue on playing around here, and you know, this will be ready when it's ready, and I'll start working on it. But thanks for tuning in. Your likes, shares, subscribes, and comments and everything, I really do appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time.